The root word phon means sound. Phone is an instrument that is used to transmit sound. Phonetic is the sound of a word or a syllable in language. Cacophony. Caco means harsh. So cacophony means a harsh sound. Euphony. Eu means good. So good or melodious sounds. Euphony. Microphone is an instrument or a gadget that is used to amplify a sound. The root word phot or photo means light. A photo or a photograph is an image taken due to a flash of light. Photogenic is generated by or caused by light. Photon is the smallest unit of life. Photosynthesis is a process. It takes place in plants which causes in the presence of light, sunlight. Photic is caused by or radiated by light. The root word pack, plaque or peace mean calm or peaceful. The word pacific means something which is calm. Placate is to calm down or to calm someone who is furious. Implacate is to make furious. So, placate, the antonym of this word is implacate. And implacable is someone or something that cannot be calmed. Complacent is self-satisfied and calm person who does not aspire for more. Pacify is to calm down. Root word polis means city. Acro means high, so a city which is built high. A promontory which is surrounded by a fortified wall or something. Metropolis is again a big town or city. The next root word is poly, which means many. So when I prefix this word to another root word, it adds the meaning of many to it. So polychrome means multicolored. Polyglot, glot means to speak or tongue. So polyglot is a person who can speak many languages. And a polygon is a geometrical figure which has got many sides. The prefix pre means earlier or before. So preamble is a chapter which is before the rest of the book, like an introduction. Prepare is to get ready in advance. Prediction, dict is a root word which means to speak. So to tell about something in advance or foretell. A synonym of this word is foretell. To tell in advance about what is about to happen. A premonition is a feeling that something is about to happen or to preempt something. The root word pseudo means false or wrong. Pseudonym, nym means name. So pseudonym is a false name or a fake name. It's usually used for writers who write under a fictitious name. Pseudonym. Pseudoscience is a false science, not the real field. Pseudo pregnancy is a fake pregnancy. A pseudo embryo is not the real embryo but a false or fake one. The root word purge means to clean. Purge is to clean or cleanse one's soul. Purgatory is a place between heaven and hell. The traditional belief is that it is the place where the soul gets cleansed. So purgatory. Expurgate is to cut off or trim those extra parts or pieces in a publication. The root word quad means four. Quadrilateral. Let's look at the roots individually. Four and side. So a figure which has got four sides is a quadrilateral. Quadruped. Ped means feet or legs. So a quadruped is a four-legged animal. Quadrant is an open space with buildings on four sides. Quadrennium means a period of 4 years. The next root word is quin. Quin means 5 or 5 times. Quintet is a composition, maybe a musical composition, which is made for 5 voices or 5 instruments. Quintuple means 5-fold or 5 times. Quintessence means the finest essence of. It has its origin in 5 because of the ancient belief that there are 5 elements that make things. The prefix re means again. The word rebound means to spring back again. Rewind is to wind something backward. Recognize. Look at this root, cogn. Cogn means to remember. So, to recognize is to remember that you've seen someone before. Redo is to do again. Reinvent is to invent the same thing in a newer manner once again. The root word retro means back or backwards. Retro and gress. Retrogress. Gress means to go. So to go back either in time or in space. If we think back about our past or I step back, either of the meanings can be applied to this word. Retrograde. Grad means step. So to step back. This word could be interpreted as degeneration or a deterioration as well. Retro and spec means to see. So retrospect means to look back into your past. Retroactive is to be related with the things of the past. The root word rit and ris mean laugh. So to ridicule means to mock, make fun of or laugh at. Ridiculous is something which is laughable or something which one can make fun about. Deride also means to mock or to laugh at. Risible is also a synonym of this word. Something which is laughable or funny. Something which evokes laughter or humor, ludicrous, funny, laughable. All of these words together are synonymous. Ludicrous. The root word rupt means break or burst. Interrupt is to break into a conversation or something. The word rupture means to burst, to break or to split. They're all synonymous. Bankrupt is when a person loses so much money that he's on the verge of a breakdown or he's kind of broken down.